Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about Notion. It is free to use tool. It can be used for various purposes like for to-do app. As you see, I have successfully logged in using my Google account. You can do it too. Here you can create new page using this option here. You can click here on this small plus icon and as you can see here new page is created. We can give it name as we want. As you can see here I have given it a name demo. Using this add icon button you can add a new icon as you want. Also you can add new image using this add image button. Actually this is a cover that you can have on your page and you can change this also using this button where you can get many number of various options. As you can see I like this earth one. Now here you can click on this plus icon and you will get many number of options like heading, text, heading 1, 2 and to do and toggle list and many more. As you can see here we have added new page. You can add page inside page. We can call it as a sub demo page and we have added one cute emoji and also a cover. Now we can change also this cover also. As you can see I have created it. We will go to back to our previous page where this page is created. Now we will explore some more options. Here we have heading 2 option, heading 3 option, bullet list, number list. We will create one heading, heading 1. Since heading 1 is the biggest one, you can use this for your biggest headings. I will call it as a city and below it here you can type slash and using this slash button you will get all the options. Here I will create a number list like Pune, Bombay, Gujarat, etc. All these cities are inside number list. Now we can create quote also where we can write the important sentences like this is my demo. We can write this where we want to enter an important sentence. Here we can create table also. As you can see I have created one table. First property of the table is roll number. We will just create typical student enrollment table. Here is the name of the student and here is the phone number of the student. This is a school table where there is a roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number student, roll number 1 student name is Raju, roll number 2 is Rahul. We will enter the random phone number over here. As you can see I have clicked on plus icon and new property is added. Here we will add a new property called address. You can add as many properties as you want and you can add more rows using this plus icon that we have used. Now let's move to the next feature. The next feature is image feature. As you can see we can click on upload button and this menu will arrive where you can select your image and it will upload this image on Notion. Here it shows the percentages, how much image is uploaded and how much is pending. Here on these three dots you can click and you can get plenty of options. When you click on it, you can set a font style. We have major three font styles. We can small the text or bigger. We can set the full width. Full width looks nice. I will. Here there are some more options. You can explore them too if you want to. Here there is one more option called lock option. When you use this option, you will lock the entire page, so you cannot change the content. It will be locked. So it will be better if you just want to read the content and don't want to accidentally change the content. Here you can translate the page from one language to another. If you are Chinese, then you can use this to convert the entire page into your native language. As you can see, the entire page is now translated into Chinese. Here in translate button you can use English and English. From English to any language, you can convert from any language. There are plenty of options, as you can see. Now we got our main page. Here we will explore next property, which is going to be a divider. It is normally used to divide and separate two sections. We can embed a video. You can choose this and embed a small video over here of 5 megabytes, and it will be played on this page. You can do if you want to. I'm just going to explore some more options. Here we have audio option, code option. Here you can add your favorite code snippet. If you are a coder, I will just write a simple Java function: public static void main string argument args, like this. It won't run the code, but you can just save over here for your later reference. Later you can watch out your code. Here you can also attach files and table view, board view. Here you can create this database over here. I don't use this too much, but if you find it well, you can use it. Now we will move forward. We will explore the next. The next one is a chart. You can give it some data and it will create chart for you. This is very good if you want quick review of your progress or your task or something else. It will be very helpful. But if you want more charts than more than one, then you need to buy the premium of this application. Here you can upgrade this plan to plus business and enterprise. It will charge you, but if you want to go with free plan will provide you many more features. So if you want to just do basic things, then you can be good with a free plan. Here you can have a pretty nice calendar over here. If you want to mark some important days, for example meetings, exams, and some product deadlines, then you can utilize this and you will be good. Here you can create new page also inside this calendar over here. We will look for some of the more new features also. As you can see here, if you want to add more than one chart, then you need to pay per document. You can also only create one document only. Let's explore some more features over here. This is very good menu where you can just push up key and down key to go from one option to another option. Here you can use all these options from like Figma, Google Maps, Miro, Sketch, Excalibur, PDF, Loom, Replit, GitHub, Slack. So many features are there. You can use all of them if you use it on day-to-day basis. You can basically integrate them into this workplace, and you will be very good. As you can see, this is the basic overview of Notion. This is where your all the files are saved. You can duplicate. You can click on duplicate to create duplicate, as well as you can click over here to see if you have sub pages. As you can see, we have created duplicate. Now what we will do is to delete this and take this document live. I will show you how you can take it live. As you can see here, you can click on this button and it will open the browser where you can see your page is live. You can share this to your friends or your office people, so they can also reference the work with you. You can share this basically like a website.